So here she is, here's the finished result. Oh my god, I love how Robecca turned out. She's definitely one of my favorite dolls I've ever done. I love all the mech parts, they're so cool. Of course my favorite part has to be the torso. A close second are the arms, they're pretty awesome as well. The shoes fit this project so perfectly I just had to use them again. Of course I painted those off screen as well as made the eyes. What do you think of Robecca? Would you like to see more Monster High redesigns in the future? Sorry this video took so long to come out. I've been working on other ventures and other creative projects. Definitely keep an eye out for those in the future. Thank you so much for watching. For the rest of the video, enjoy the remainder of the photos. Thanks again for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!